Begin in child's pose. Reach back and interlace your fingers behind you. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and lift your arm wings up. Move your head, upper body, and wings back and forth as you fly like a bee. Bring your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Land on a flower and practice straw sipping as you sip the tasty nectar from the flowers. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth with your cheeks puffed out, like a trumpet player. While in lizard pose, flick your tongue in and out as you check for danger and maybe catch a bug for a snack. Open your jaw wide. Place your index fingers inside the joints at the hollows of your cheeks. Open and close your jaw to feel the mandible joint. Now move your lower jaw from side to side. Move your lower jaw clockwise. And counterclockwise. Stick your tongue out and curl it inward like a straw. Inhale and sip air into your lungs through your tongue. Then bring your tongue into your mouth and exhale through your nose. Repeat this a few times. If you can't roll your tongue, let it hang out and feel the breath flowing coolly over it. Begin by breathing in through the nose and breathe out by whispering the word breath. Then gently close the lips. Repeat this action. Now breathe in through the nose and silently feel like you are saying the word breath, but keep the lips closed. Continue to breathe in and out through the nose with the audible sound made from the breath passing through the back of the throat at the glottis. When the glottis is partially closed, it makes a slight snoring sound, like Darth Vader in Star Wars.